1999 Mercedes-Benz SL500 Roadster here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good looking convertible. All right, listen to this. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, just a little over 27,000 on this beauty is all. And it shows, very well maintained. Underneath the hood, 5-liter V8 power that's paired up with an automatic transmission, of course, with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the front end. You can see it's really free of any major blemishes as far as rock chips, dings, anything like that. Just a couple very minute ones that have been touched up with matching paint. They're pretty tough to see in the video or the pictures, but some very small ones, and that's being extremely fussy. One little touch-up spot here in the bumper right there, and again, it's tough to get it to show up because it is very minute. Paint shows well, has a very nice shine to it. Check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see this car from the underside, interior, engine bay, top up, top down. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's gonna take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Mercedes wheels. Continental Extreme Contact radials. Plenty of tread life left in those. You're going to see that in the still pictures also. Let's take a look down this passenger side. No major nicks, dings, scratches. Interior on the car basically looks like new. Very nice shape. Windscreen installed, and you can have the top up or top down, obviously, with the windscreen. And this will flip forward. It'll flip all the way back down. Of course, this style bar, I guess if you will, that is power and will raise up and down also. So we're going to go ahead and typically right there is how you're going to want it if you're driving with the top down. It is a power top. I'm going to demonstrate how that works going up and down later in the video. And if you stick around to the very end, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. In the trunk, there is a built-in battery charger that's already hooked up to it. This car checked out very well in the service department when it went through. The only note the technician had on it, it did have the radio wait or lock code, where Mercedes-Benz dealer need to be contacted. They give you a code. Type it into the radio. Just want to mention that. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these Mercedes, or maybe just like imports in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And you can see no major nicks, dings, or scratches on this driver's side. Paint also has a nice shine over here, as you can see. Another thing you can do is always share our videos if you know somebody that's in the market, maybe looking for one of these cars. Don't be afraid to do that. Sorry, we're gonna have a little warning buzzer here. Tell you what, let me go ahead and start it up a second. I'll let you hear it run. Of course, your modern amenities, power seats both sides, memory seating both sides, leather, very nice shape. No rips, tears, holes. Of course, cruise control. There's your exact miles, 27,129. Fuel gauge working. It's like we have water temp, oil temp, miles per gallon. Gauge is there, tachometer, that is working. Clock is working also. Of course, HVAC controls. There's that style bar, power switch I was talking about. Of course, power top switch, heated seats, power windows, power locks. Dash in great shape. And this has been a summer only car, so not driven in the winters. And it shows. Take a look at those underside pictures. Battery is located in the trunk. I don't know if this is unlocked or not. But yes, I want to show you this. So here's the tender. Battery is over on this passenger side. There is a filler panel that will go back in there, and I'll put that in when I'm done. So the filler panel will fill this back in, but that's where the battery is located, and there is a tender already hooked up to it. And like I said, I'll go ahead and put that filler panel back in when I'm done with this video. Just wanted to show you that battery location, that battery tender. Sounds as you would expect. Running smooth, nice and quiet. Pop the hood so you can look at this engine bay. Take a look at this hood liner and how clean that is. Of course, the hood release, by the way, what I pulled is right underneath the Mercedes emblem right there. And there it is. How's that for a clean, tidy engine bay in a 1999? Wow. Sounds good, looks good. A lot of power for this car too. Nice handling, riding, and performing cars. All right, let me pause this a second. I'm going to get the tripod out. I want to show you how this power convertible top goes up and down, and we'll check out the condition of that. We'll wrap up this video, and Jason will take it for a drive. And convertible top up. Now, when I put that top up, I left that windscreen up so you could see that it will fit underneath the convertible top, going up and down, no problems. Latches itself up front above the windshield all by itself. Then it rolls the windows on the sides up at the end, so you can see those are a nice tight fit. And kind of a canvas or fabric top in great shape. I mean, yeah, you're gonna have a few wrinkles from it being folded up, but this top's probably been folded up more than it's been actually in the upright position. Rear window, nice and clear. No rips, tears, holes. Side glass on the passenger side fits well also. No surprises on the convertible top. Either its condition or how it functions, you're all good there. Tell you what, I'll show you it folding back down, and then we'll get Jason to hop in and take you for a virtual ride into the oil. There you go, 1999 Mercedes-Benz SL500, clean Carfax, a little over 27,000 miles. A lot of bang for the buck right there. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1999 Mercedes-Benz SL. This is a convertible, and we have the top up today. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Or you can manually go down to 1, 2, 3 on the bottom of the shift pattern. And there is overdrive. Our turn signal indicator is working. This car loaded up with lots of features. Multi-position power seat, multi-memory seat, heated seats. I can say the wiper works because there's one large wiper encompassing the whole windshield. Kind of a unique feature. Very good throttle response in this car. Nice quiet ride you expect from Mercedes. Our temperature is in Celsius. It says we've got 80 degrees Celsius on the engine temp. The oil pressure is around 70. The fuel gauge shows a quarter of a tank. Speedometer working, tachometer also working. Blowing heat today on the HVAC system. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Now the radio is telling me to wait. That may need a code to unlock. Comfortable leather seats. Great looking interior. I don't see any cracks or anything like that. Low mileage car, and it shows it and feels it. Corners nice and flat, the way you'd expect a performance car like Mercedes to do. Smooth acceleration. Performance and luxury in one package from Mercedes, 1999 SL500. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.